In this video, I will show you how to play Stormshot Isle of Adventure on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Stormshot Isle of Adventure is an Android game, but there is a way to actually play this on PC using something called the BlueStacks app player. Now, the BlueStacks app player is actually an Android emulator, so what that means, it enables you to play Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started with this, what you're going to want to do is click onto the link in the video description down below this video, and once you click onto that link, you'll be taken to a website like this. Now, on this website, what you want to do is click onto the blue button here, which says Play Stormshot Isle of Adventure on PC, and what that's going to do is download the BlueStacks installer onto your PC or laptop. Once that's installed, what you can do is go ahead, give that a click to run the installer, and then just go through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Now, once that's finished installing, it's going to come up with a window with a blue launch button. So what you want to do is go ahead, click the blue launch button. And once you've done that, what it's going to do is load up BlueStacks on your PC and take you directly to the install page for Stormshot Isle of Adventure. Just make sure you do click the link in the video description down below, so it takes you automatically to the installation page. From here, what you want to do is click onto the Install from Google Play button just down here. Once you've done that, it's going to take you across to a page like this. Now, at this point, all you need to do is click the blue Install button, and it's going to go ahead and start downloading and installing Stormshot Isle of Adventure on your PC. Just while that is downloading and installing, it's just a couple of things I want to mention to you about BlueStacks and why I personally use it to play Android games on my PC. Now, of course, one of the first biggest reasons for using BlueStacks is the opportunity to play with your keyboard, mouse, or even a gamepad support for certain games. Controls are pre-programmed for games, but you can, of course, customize them to your own personal preferences. So for me, that's a really big thing because I don't personally get on with touchscreens. I do find it a lot easier to play with a keyboard and mouse. Another thing that's really cool is a built-in macros feature, which allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press. Another really cool feature for BlueStacks is the macros feature, which basically allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press. A built-in eco mode, which allows you to optimize your PC usage when running multiple instances of BlueStacks and other applications. And one thing I personally really love about BlueStacks is the real-time translation feature. Now, the real-time translation feature, what this basically does is it allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if there's games that has been released in other countries, but you're unable to play for language barrier reasons, well, with BlueStacks, you've now got the opportunity to play any game you want, as BlueStacks is going to use the inbuilt real-time translation to convert the language to your local language. Of course, naturally, playing on a PC is going to give you a much higher FPS, so enabling a higher frame rate for a much smoother and just an overall better gameplay experience. And of course, you can play all your favorite Android games in full HD. Now, there's a ton of other features and really good benefits of using BlueStacks. That's just a couple of the ones that I personally like about BlueStacks. But as you can see, scrolling through, there are a ton of really good reasons why you would want to consider using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Coming back to BlueStacks, as you can see, Stormshot Isle of Adventure has now finished installing. So at this point, all you want to do is go ahead and click the play button. And once you've done that, this is going to go ahead and launch the game using the BlueStacks app player. So what I'm going to do is just agree to the privacy policy, terms and conditions and things like that, and then it's going to load through. So you just want to give it a minute or two to just run through and load the game on BlueStacks. Here we are. As you can see, the game has now loaded through. We're just on the intro here, and already straight off the bat, you can see that the gameplay is running really smoothly. There is no lag, and the picture is actually really sharp. It's a really clear picture on BlueStacks. So what I'm going to do is actually just skip past this so we can get into the gameplay itself. Here we are, and what I'm going to do is I'm using my mouse now to control the game, as you can see, just like so. It's really easy to do using your mouse, but if you want to see what the controls are, you can come across this menu on the right hand side, click onto the keyboard icon here, and you're going to see an option for on-screen control. So if you actually give this a click, what it's going to do is highlight the controls that you have to use. So let's just skip through this intro bit here, and of course that's going to show you the controls. But as you can see, the gameplay experience is really smooth. As mentioned, there's no lag, and it's a really clear picture. So that is how to play Stormshot Isle of Adventure on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.